So SIP, what is SIP? Systematic investment plan. Systematic investment plan. Okay. So what is that we have? Everybody, most of the people are in jobs. Okay. So if you want to invest a particular, say 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs today, okay, and want to hold it for a longer period of time, okay, 20 lakhs initially may be difficult. Okay, huge amount of sum in the beginning itself. Okay, hold on guys, I'm getting a lot of messages here. I'm going to put the messages to only host and co-host. Okay, I want everyone to focus here, so I'm just changing the chat settings. Madhumita, I'll answer your question. Okay, after some time. You guys have your questions. Okay, we'll actually answer it at the end of the session. Okay, systematic investment plan. So what is the objective? Why it was created? And by the way, it's one of the best one which has been created. So what is the objective here? You are going to put your money on a systematic way every single month. Say, okay, assume that you are actually having an income of say 50K and you feel that I can save around 5K per month. Okay, this 5K you can go for, you can actually give it for mutual funds. Okay, every month you are going to actually put this 5K on a mutual fund. Say month, first of every month. First of every month, I want 5K from my account to be invested into mutual fund. Systematically, you are planning to invest on this particular fund every single first of every month. Okay, that is what we'll be asking you to do as well. Okay, that is what we'll be asking you to do as well. This one is the best one. Systematic. A systematic withdrawal plan also. We'll come to that later. Let's focus on this. So this is a systematic investment plan, which is what I would be suggesting you to do. Second one is what else is there? Lump sum. Lump sum. Okay, I want to invest 10 lakhs in one single fund right away. Okay, it can also be done. Okay, some of the funds, lot of funds are okay with that also. You can actually do this or this, but most of them prefer this because this is easy. Every single month setting aside some money is easy than this one. Yeah, but you can do both. Yeah. So what are the outcomes? Okay, how can my wealth grow when it comes to actually systematic investment plan? Okay, so as I told you, SIP is something that you're going to focus on. SIP is something that you're going to focus on. Okay, so like if I ask you, okay, you have to invest say few amount of your every single month from your salary in a mutual fund. Okay, so it means that what this is what, okay, every month, okay, investing every month some X amount of money. Okay, so type in guys, type in what is your comfort amount that you can actually invest on every single month. Type in the chat box. Okay, every single month, how much do you think you can actually put your money on a mutual fund? Okay, 10K, 5K. Okay, guys, everyone, whatever number it is. Okay, it is now only to me. The message is only to me. Okay, so you can actually type it. No issues. What is the money that you can actually push? Even if it is small amount, doesn't matter, guys. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Different people, different, okay, amount of money. So, and you're going to hold it for a minimum of, okay, say 10 to 20 years. 10 to 20 years. Let me focus on 10 to 20 years and let's do some calculations here. to help you get an understanding how a wealth can grow. Okay. Okay. Most of you have said, okay, use this one. Use this one. Okay. A lot of people have said 5,000. Okay. 5,000 if you're investing and you're expecting average, say 15%. Okay. So we'll actually show you some of the examples. Yeah. 15%, 10 years. Okay. So let's start with 5 years. So if you're putting 5,000 every single month, SIP, okay, monthly basis, 15% is the return that you're expecting from the mutual fund on a CAGR every year. Okay. And you're holding it for 5 years. It means that with a capital of 3 lakhs, okay, you're going to get around 4.43. Okay. Not much. Okay. Nothing much. Okay. Then we are now keeping the 5,000 15% constant for 6 years. 3.6 lakhs investment is becoming 5.78. Pretty decent. Okay. 7 years. Okay. 4.2 lakhs is investment becoming 7.36. 4.2 becoming 7.36 and 4.8 becoming 9.18. Now putting 10 years, 6 lakhs becoming 13.76. 6 lakhs becoming 13.76. 11 years, 6.6, 13.76 to 16.6. Okay. Then 12 years, 7.2 becoming almost like 19.93. 13 years, 17.8 becoming 23. Say 15 years, 9 lakhs becoming 33.43. See, after 15, let's go 1 year by 1 year. 16 years, 9.6 becoming 39 lakhs. Okay, 17 years, 10 lakhs becoming 46 lakhs. 18 years, okay, 10.8 becoming 54 lakhs. 19 years, 11.4 lakhs becoming 63.94. And 20 years, 12 lakhs becoming 75 lakhs. Guys, 5,000 every single month. I don't think anybody is going to have a huge trouble, okay, in saving 5,000 from your savings, from your salary, correct? But if you're putting that 5,000 every single month, okay, and just putting it for 12 lakhs, over a period of that is like 20 years, like nothing, okay? You're going to put just 5,000 per month. That 5,000 per month is going to become like 75 lakhs, okay? That's a huge one. Okay, I'm just putting 5,000 because a lot of people were actually saying like 5,000 is average. Some people went to 10, 15, 20 also. But since a lot of people, the lowest was 5,000 or yeah, around 5,000, I'm putting that. So 5,000 every single month, okay, 20 years can give you 75 lakhs. Okay. Because the reason why I'm saying is because one person was saying, okay, in one of the meeting, okay, he was saying, sir, what is it? Yeah, he was having financial issues and so on. He was actually saying that, hey, you know what, I'm having financial issues, and he has a daughter, yeah, who is turning like 18, and she has to go to college, okay, from next year, and I'm not sure how am I going to manage my fund and so on. Okay, one of my mentor was there at the time, somebody else. Okay, yeah, in a session, it was in a session. Okay, don't remember exactly. A few years back, he was only asking one thing. Okay, so are you working? Yes, I'm working. Yeah. So like, how many years are you working? I'm working for last 25 years and so on. Okay. So you are working for last 25 years. How is your work? Tight schedule, but yeah, decent income. But okay, that's what he was saying. Okay. Salary is there. Okay. Job is there. And he was also asking one thing. Okay. So your daughter is now 18 years and you have to pay her college fees. And you're saying that you're not having enough fun. Don't you know, 18 years back, when your daughter is born, that she has to go to college after 18 years from now? He was just asking only one question. Like, your daughter is not like, what is it? It's not something surprising for you. 18 years back, when your daughter is born itself, you know that 18 years from now, she has to go to college. 25 years from now, she has to get married. Okay. And if you put just small amount of money over there, putting aside, Okay, there are a lot of government schemes also, right? A lot of government schemes for like what to say, marriage, education, this, that, and so on. Okay, it will not be a huge burden. Now he's actually looking for what, maybe 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, and so on. Okay, for getting into college. But if you have now 10 lakhs is a big one. But 18 years, if you have actually put some money, say instead of 5,000, if it's 3,000 also, the college fees is done. Okay, so that's what I was saying. See, it is not surprising. Only thing is that you did not even plan about it. You never even thought about it. Okay. So anything for that matter. Okay. So that is why I was saying, okay, yeah, I should have done it. See, most of the emergencies that we are facing today is because we are realizing only when it happens. You're not planning it ahead. Okay. Normally, I would say this: mutual funds. So how am I supposed to plan my mutual funds? You want to actually build a house 10 years from now? You plan it from today. Okay. So 10 years from now, I want to build a house. I want to buy a land. Say, for example. Okay. I'm not more into what to say, buying a house, more of a land. Okay, so assume that you want to buy a land, say for 25 lakhs. Okay, I want to buy a land after 5 years from now. Okay, you have, what is that you have to do from now, so that 5 years, by the end of 5 years, I will be able to have enough money for my buying a house. Okay, I want to buy a bike after 1 year. Okay, so for this 12 months, what am I supposed to do? If I'm saving, say 7,000 every single month or 8,000 every single month, by the end of the 1 year, I'll be having a lakh, which I can use it for buying a bike. I want to buy a car. Okay, what am I supposed to do from now? See, the problem, what we are facing is that we think about buying a car, and the next 3 months we want to buy a car, and we will not be having a huge amount of, enough cash. We'll go for credit cards, we'll go for bank loans, we'll be ending up paying interest, more and more money. Okay, rather than actually saving it up pre-planned. See, what is the advantage of why banks and other people how is it they are surviving? Because we are not planning, they are able to make money. If you're planning properly, right? Okay, I want to buy a car, say 2 years from now. And if you're saving from today, say even like say 10,000, done. Okay, half of the money at least half of the money will be there in your hand. Okay.